I chose the building behind me today to talk about the Foursquare. Now the Foursquare, it's not necessarily an architectural style, it's more of a building design style or a building design. The Foursquare, just like this one behind me, is typically going to have equal sides, 4 equal sides, and usually be 2 stories, sometimes 3 stories and sometimes 1.5 stories, but usually 2 stories. The Foursquare is going to have a hipped roof, just like this one does. Often they'll be, if they're a little bit bigger, they have a dormer and maybe even an attic conversion in the roof. The reason for the Foursquare, and you'll find these all over American architecture, the reason for the Foursquare is it's an incredibly efficient way to get a lot of inside space. If you have all kinds of funny walls or curved walls, or if the house kind of comes out, cants out and cants back, you're using more material, but you're not getting more inside space, not proportionally. And the Foursquare is the best way to do that. Now, all over Vallejo, you're gonna see these, and what I think is the most fascinating and the most interesting thing about the Foursquare is you're gonna see Foursquares. This one's a little bit dressed up like a colonial revival. You're gonna see Foursquares dressed up like Victorians, like Queen Anne's. You're gonna see Foursquares dressed up as if they were arts and crafts styled homes, like craftsman styled houses. So the design style lends itself to exterior decoration of lots of different kinds of things. And now that you know what you're looking for, I hope you find these. They're all over Vallejo. My name's Chris Jacobson. I'm the creator of Vallejo Historic Home Support. I hope to see you in some of my other videos.